Governor Soludo says his administration is committed to building a health institution that is efficient, affordable and accessible for the residents of Anambra State. The Commissioner for Health, Dr. Affirms, disclosed this during his unscheduled working visit to the Chukwuemeka Teaching Hospital, Amakoka. Correspondent Chibuzo Okoye completes the story.
The commissioner who came with his team from the ministry was taken round the hospital by the chief medical director, Dr. Joe Akabike, accompanied by his senior staff members. Speaking to the ABS after the inspection, Dr. Obidike said that the visit was as a result of the governor's mandate that his ministry has to visit all government's-owned hospitals in the state with a view to ascertaining their areas of strength and weaknesses in order to address their challenges accordingly. The health commissioner, who expressed satisfaction with what he met on ground, warned the staff of the hospital to be more committed and dedicated to duty, as the Soludo administration will not tolerate truancy, laxity and unwholesome attitude from anybody. On the issue of the cost of food in the hospital, Dr. Obidike made it clear that he's satisfied with the quality of the food, but appealed to the food vendor to liaise with the hospital management for eventual downward readjustment.
The patients were happy. So, but in some of the only areas they have stayed long time. Imagine by 12 o'clock, the health personnel that are supposed to render the service are not yet there. You can't feel happy. So those areas that the governors will come in terms of people doing what they're paid to do, in terms of people, because it's not only, you can see the equipment, we have a lot of equipment here. In terms of the areas that we're improving on, like in the ophthalmology department, we are definitely going to hugely improve, and I've discussed with the chief medical director there. We need to improve on that because you see a lot of patients there, and one of those two gaps identified will be urgently attended to so that our people will not continue to suffer.
Earlier, the chief medical director of the hospital, Dr. Akabike, who commended the commissioner for the visit, thanked Governor Soludo for his passion for the health needs of Anambra and noted that their greatest challenge is the issue of power supply, among others, and expressed optimism that the current administration in the state is capable of transforming the health sector of Anambra State.
The greatest problem we have is the issue of energy. We have a 500 kVA generator that broke down, and we put in about 7 million. We could not still rectify it, and I think it's not worth putting more money there. So we need a new genset, and then we need some equipment in some places, like we talked about ophthalmology operation for eye, and then there are little and more other things that we needed to do in terms of equipment. But all in all, I think government has marvelously done well. They have really invested in this place, and now that we have a new governor, new face. I want to improve. I'm also calling on our workers and even the Anambra at large to come in and patronize teaching hospital.
From Chukwuemeka University Teaching Hospital, Amakoka, this is Chibuzo Okoye for ABS News.